Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use camera assistant for faster shutter on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! Okay guys, so all you need to do is you need to enter camera assistant, but if you don't have the app, you need to download it. Okay, so to download it we go to Play Store, my bad, then look for Good Lock. Then you enter it, and here you press install. As you can see, it installed pretty quick. Let's open it. Okay, let's agree and continue. And then we look for camera assistant, which is, as you can see here. Let's click on it, and here you click to it to download. As you can see, installation is completed. Okay, here is camera assistant. Okay, so what we need to turn on is this quick tap shutter, which takes pictures as soon as you touch the shutter, and an extra picture will also be taken when you swipe or hold the shutter. Which means, in short version, if you when you tap the circle, there isn't any delay when quick tap shutter is on, but when it is off, there is a little bit of delay, but you probably won't even feel it, to be honest. But you can see it, yes, but look, there is a little bit of delay. But let's turn it on again and show you again. In real life, you can see the difference. I don't know how it will look on video, but that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.